Is it time to buy or sell Supermicro computer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicro computer. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicro Computer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.02%. This results in an average return of 0.67% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 12.36% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 27.48% to positive 4.84%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 23.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 25.97% to positive 64.65% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $34.70 and $77.17. Our latest daily update for Supermicro Computer includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Supermicro Computer stock after gaining 2.31%. The Supermicro Computer stock price increased by 2.31% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. The price rose from $45.81 to $46.87. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.44%, with a low of $45.17 and a high of $48.53. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 17.06% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 11 million more shares were traded than the day before, with approximately 40 million shares bought and sold for around $1.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $66.44, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 29.46% or $19.57 below the 52-week high and 61.86% or $76.03 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicro Computer is navigating a landscape of mixed momentum. This week, the company unveiled an expanded artificial intelligence portfolio at Innovate EMEA. This includes new systems designed around NVIDIA RTX Pro, HGX B300 and GB300 NVL72 GPUs, along with edge-optimized nodes featuring Intel Xeon 6, Jetson Orin NX, and NVIDIA Grace C1. They are also ramping up global shipping from facilities located in the United States, Netherlands, Taiwan, and Malaysia. Analysts highlight that SMCI's DCBBS plug-and-play designs, coupled with the upcoming NVIDIA Blackwell GPU cycle, are crucial growth catalysts. These factors position the firm as a comprehensive AI server provider, potentially justifying a reevaluation of its market valuation, especially in light of revenue growth that surpasses its peers. However, recent quarterly results and commentary indicate increasing pressure. The company has faced revenue and margin shortfalls, aggressive pricing strategies to capture market share, tariffs, and inventory write-downs, all contributing to uncertainty and a significant sell-off. In the short term, one can expect continued volatility as the market balances the incoming Blackwell and DCBBS order flow against immediate margin challenges and earnings forecasts. In the long term, successful adoption of Blackwell and a steady ramp-up of DCBBS could lead to substantial upside and recovery in margins. Conversely, failure to stabilize pricing and inventory could limit gains, keeping the stock within constrained limits. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of September 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned SMCI a market perform rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 11th of July 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave SMCI a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a sector weight rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated SMCI as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro computer stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. For return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro computer. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. The Supermicro computer stock maintains buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, offering a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicating that the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $45.54 and $44.87. A drop below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 17.06%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average, convergence-divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro computer. Supermicro computer finds support from accumulated volume at $46.79. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.36 between its high and low points, which equates to 7.44%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure indicates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is generally considered normal, often associated with companies that have established histories or reliable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro computer. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro computer is at $47.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro computer encounters its first support level at $46.79. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro computer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by David E. Wigand, who bought and sold 124,700 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 56.081. In total, insiders purchased 2,295,381 shares and sold 651,171 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $45.28, reflecting a decline of 3.4%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 80, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Supermicro computer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, we expect Supermicro Computer to open lower by approximately 1 cent and start trading at $46.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.